Guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm really excited to be coming back to you today. See, 1 year ago, well, about a year and a half ago, we did a review on the JBL Charge 5, as you can see here. Now, we're so excited and loved it so much, we purchased a second JBL Charge 5 as well. As you can see, we've got both of them here. And what I want to do in this review today is kind of talk about what the speakers are like 1 year later. You see, very often we can buy speakers and stuff like that, and they don't always live up to expectations. And in this review, you're going to see that the JBL Charge 5 actually did live up to expectations. It worked really well. But one thing I'm going to be doing in this, and you know how MrYouWho is a bit of a risk taker? Well, in this, MrYouWho is going to be taking a big risk. That's right, MrYouWho is going to go and take a JBL Charge 5 and throw it in the pool. Or will he? That's the thing. You've got to watch the video towards the end to see if MrYouWho is going to be doing a challenge. But you know, these are IP67 rated, so that means they are water resistant and waterproof. As you saw in previous videos, we took them to the beach, they got caught in the water. So it'll be very interesting to see what it's going to be like when I actually throw this into the water. So if I actually do though, you've got to watch out because MrYouWho, you know, always likes to leave life on the edge, as you guys have learnt. So what we'll do is going to start by going back and looking at the previous video. We're going to go and quickly look at the unboxing that we did, so you guys can see some of the key features such as the 20-hour battery life, the drivers, the sound, how it kind of works, how quickly it charges. We'll then go and show you how we can do Party Boost with these, so how you can actually link up to JBL speakers as well. To be honest, I've tried to do it a couple of times. I found it quite challenging, so I'm actually going to use the app to do JBL Party Link, so you can see how it actually works across both the speakers. We'll then go and show you how the speakers actually performed at the beach, out and about, so you can see what they like to use. Now we're going to give our final thoughts, but a year later, heavy use, the speakers are still going strong. You know, they last probably close to not quite 20 hours battery life anymore, but you still get, you know, at least 15, 16 hours out of them. They charge fast, the music's good, you can pop them into a bag, they perform very, very well. So we've been very, very happy with them. Anyway, let's not do any longer. Let's jump into a look now at the JBL Charge 5 1 year later at MrYouWho. So here's the speaker. Now doesn't that look nice? Doesn't it look like a great quality product? The JBL logo is emblazoned in the front, which I really like. I think it looks fantastic. And there's the speaker. So there's the woofers at the back where the sound comes out of, which we'll be demonstrating shortly. There's the back where you can charge it, but also you can also charge other devices when you're on the go. So this can be used as a power bank as well, which is great. So going to the top, so you turn it on there, connect to the Bluetooth, volume up, volume down. That's where you connect to Party Boost, where you can connect multiple devices all at the same time, which is excellent. And also to play and pause your music too. Now, it comes with 20 hours battery life. Doesn't take long to charge because USB-C fast charging. I've been using it for a couple of days now and haven't need to charge it, which is excellent, but it does depend on the volume. There you go. So it looks like a great quality speaker. Now, it is IP67. We're going to be demonstrating that shortly to show you how durable that is, how great it is. The sound coming is exceptional as well. When you actually put it down, the sound comes out of it this way too. So, and the woofers move at the back there. So we'll be demonstrating that shortly when we do the sound. So here we're about to test whether the JBL Charge 5 can survive a plunge into the pool. Now I know this sounds very, very risky, but MrYouWho is a bit of a risk taker. So anyway, I don't want to build up suspense any longer. Let's see what happens when we drop it from height into the pool. We're ready. Jeez, that's quite a splash. The seat's still going. Let's get out of the water. And there it is, still going. It does actually work. Okay, so how do we get Party Boost to work with the JBL speakers? Well, it's quite easy. You need to download the JBL Headphones app on your phone, like you see here. Then go and turn on your first speaker, like we're doing here. Hold the button down. And also turn on the Bluetooth, just like this. And then go to the app and go to the JBL app and actually connect the headphones to the speaker to it. So connect speaker, select JBL Charge 5 and let it go to Bluetooth, let it connect. Then you also get your other JBL speaker, which you can see here. Obviously turn that one on as well, just there. So as you can see the screen, JBL Charge 5's come up. And then go in there and select Party Boost in there. So we go to JBL Charge 5, select Party Boost, turn it on. Now with this being on and this being on, they should both connect. Connect speaker. And we should have connection. There you go. So now both connected now. So here we are, Surfers Paradise Beach, about to use a speaker while I jump in the water. The JBL Charge 5 is excellent for outdoors. Sand, water resistant. It's great to use. So now I'm going to go duck in, do some swimming, and yeah, have fun listening to the speaker. Now I'm sitting out here at Surfers Paradise, the beach in the background, lovely view, having a drink, and the sound is so soothing. It sounds really clear, and it really feels like the apartment. That's the great thing about this speaker. You can take it anywhere. You can sit it outside, you can go for a party, you can take it to the pool, you can take it to the beach, and it sounds really good. And anyway, I'm going to just sit back here, get some more rays, and really enjoy this music. The great thing with this JBL speaker is you can use it in the water. As you can see, it's sitting in the water at the moment, playing the music as well, here in a pool next to the beach. And the great thing being waterproof is you can use it anywhere. It's fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy my swim while you guys enjoy the music. Okay, there you go. So you guys saw the extent of Mr.YouWho's madness. I actually did throw the speaker into the water, and the speaker worked as well, which is really, really good. So they are definitely waterproof. You can take them to the beach, like I showed you, take them for barbecues, to the park, and not have to worry about it. I might not throw into the water too often. And also, one of the guys asked me, said, Andy, do these work underwater? Well, the Bluetooth doesn't actually play through water, so you've got to connect to a phone. The signal gets lost, and that's why it doesn't work so well. So you can't use it in the water, but yeah, I hope you liked how Mr.YouWho lived on the edge for you guys, and it's all about you, my viewers. And on that point, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button as well. Really appreciated your support. As I said, we've been over 100,000 subscribers now. When I did this, I think we're about 5,000 subscribers, so the channel's growing significantly, and it's all thanks to the help of you guys. So yeah, but these are great speakers for the money. Good sounding, great bass, great party music comes through them. As you can see, the party link works quite well as well when you get it working. Generally, all in all, very, very good speakers, and I highly recommend them. So anyway, make sure you check out my other JBL speaker reviews as well. We've got the JBL Party on the go as well, which is a really good speaker. I recommend that highly. And anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.